Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox, install, and review these solar powered LED security lights, which are completely wire free, so you pretty much can install it anywhere, assuming there's enough sunlight to power it up. So you get some instructions, and here are some stats. So it has two 1200 milliamp hour batteries, and it's a color temperature of 5000 K, so that's kind of like a daylight color. Beam angle is 120 degrees, and the distance, I guess, for the motion sensor is 36 feet maximum, and the solar panel size is 165 by 133 millimeters. Okay, so the instructions for this are going to be very straightforward. Essentially, just screw it into the wall, wherever you want to put it. Again, you want to kind of pick a spot where you're going to get ample amount of sunlight. So the solar panel is decently sized, and this is plastic if you guys are wondering. And so these all move, you know, back and forward, and honestly it feels pretty stable. So when you move it, it definitely does feel stable. Okay, so looking at the controls of this thing, there is a timer right here from 20 seconds all the way to 60 seconds, and you have the different modes. So this thing will have 3 different modes. Wow, that's actually pretty bright considering this is solar powered. So you have the L, H, and the off. I'm assuming low, high, and off. So I'll install this and we'll go from there. And this is the bracket that you would attach to the wall, so it requires 2 screws, and I believe it just slides right in. So you just kind of screw it into the wall, this slides in, and that's how you place it. And it comes with some screws. So 3 screws and 3 anchors. Granted, I think that only required 2.